Welcome back to the online learning classes. The chapter number is 9 and the chapter name is Heat. Let's children, we will do one activity. Rub your palms against each other and put them on your cheeks. What do you feel? We feel heat is produced due to friction. The moisture in the air cools down due to the ice cubes in the glass and collects on the outside of the glass. A thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. We have already studied the changes in the state of matter caused by heat. Now we will see transfer of heat. Why does the mother wrap cloth around the end of his spoon while stirring the boiling milk in his large kadai? Why it's happened? Because the heat is passed from one end to another end. When we take a hot object in the vicinity of a cold one, the cold object becomes warm and the hot one becomes cooler. From this, we can infer that heat is transferred from a hot body to a cold body. It means that transfer of heat means the flow of heat from one place to another. Now we will see modes of heat transfer. Means heat is transferred by modes called conduction, convection and radiation. This all we will see in detail. Now first one we will see conduction. Transfer of heat from a hot part of a solid substance to its cold part is called conduction. For conduction of heat, a medium is required. It means heat cannot be conducted in vacuum. Conduction of heat takes place in solid substance. Let's do one activity. Take stainless steel, copper and aluminium bar, each about 30 cm long and having the same shape. Apply wax spot with the help of candle at the distance of 2 cm from each other on all the 3 bars. Stick a pin in each of them spots on that it is upright. Insert the end of all 3 bars into a flame at the same time. Observe for a while. What do you see? You see that pins fall starting from the end near the burner. It means that transfer of heat takes place from the hot end of the bar to the cold end. This transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. Now second one is convection. In liquids, heat is transferred by means of convection. When heat is supplied at the bottom of a container, water at the bottom warms up first. As warm water has lower density, it moves upwards and it is replaced by the surrounding cold water. As owing to difference in density, currents are formed and heat is transferred. Such transfer of heat by means of currents is called convection. Convection of heat also requires a medium which may be in liquid or gaseous form. In liquid and gases, heat is transferred by convection. Take some water in a test tube, wrap a piece of ice in a gauge wire and drop it in the test tube. It will sink to the bottom. Now, using a test tube holder, hold the test tube at a slant. Heat the upper part of the test tube. Stop heating when the water starts boiling. Observe the piece of ice at the bottom. The heat does not reach the bottom even though the upper part is heated. How does it happen? The density of water decreases due to heating. Therefore, it cannot sink and the process of convection does not occur.